Hello, fellow travelers. We're staying at Brewster Hall, which is located in Cheney, Washington, and literally just down the street from Eastern Washington University, or EWU, just off of College Avenue. So you can see here, we're staying in a suite. So this includes a little living room with a kitchenette, as you can see, and I've got 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So let's take a look at the kitchen or the living room. So here's my sofa. Here's my kitchenette, which is great. It's got a microwave and a sink and a little breakfast table and a TV. So let's take a look at the first bedroom. And this is called room A. So you can see it's got a double bed. It has a nice view of the neighborhood and a nightstand. And then room B is basically the same setup, but this one has a piece of artwork in it, which is kind of fun. And then let's come out here and take a look at the bathroom area. So when you come in here, you've got a nice little sink, which is great. It's open. And then when I turn this way, I've got the shower toilet area. So it's a shower tub, which is great. And then let's take a look again, and here's the room. So I highly recommend staying at Brewster Hall if you're ever in Cheney, Washington.